Hi everyone! First of all, I want to say welcome to this video and to my channel. Thank you to all those of you who subscribed, viewed and commented on my previous videos. I really appreciate it. On a previous edit, I said that I received some Kazz Magazines and I will be doing an unboxing of sorts, kind of. So here we are. By the way, I'm sorry for the background noises, but I have my pets in my room with me and they tend to be noisy when they feel like it. So as you can see, I have 7 magazines over here, all with different covers. However, some of them will have the same content. The magazines are Volume 153 with Ohm, Volume 160 with First and Frank, Volume 162 with Saint, Volume 164, one with J9 and one with Prem, and Volume 165 with Mew and Gulf. I will go through all the issues, but mostly through the photos of BL actors from each issue. First, let's start with issue 153 with Ohm. Occasionally, a Kazz magazine will have a photo card inside, and this one came with a photo card of Ohm. Not all of the magazines will have one though. So it has a lot of tie in it, which I don't understand and I don't know how to read. And here we go. It's a Singto Ohm issue from He's Coming to Me. There was an Ohm cover, a Singto cover, and an Ohm Singto cover. Unfortunately, the only one available was the Ohm cover. There will be interviews from Singto and Ohm. Once again, I don't know what they say. I only bought them for the pictures. There will be other people, obviously, in each magazine, but I don't know who all of them are. If anyone is watching my engineer, this is thing from my engineer. There's Tin Can over here, but I have no idea what this is. And that's the back of issue 153. Now we move to issue 160. This was a Blacklist special. There was a cover for every Blacklist member, however Frank and First were the last available too from where I bought them. Frank's issue came with a card as well, kind of like a bookmark. I will go through only one of these because the inside of them is exactly the same. So here they are, Blacklist members. interview for every member. There's J9 here as well. And there's the characters from the actors from Why Are You? And that's the back of Kazz Volume 160. Issue 162 has Saint on the cover, and somehow it came with 8 different photo cards. I'm not sure why this happened, but thank you, I guess. This issue has quite a number of different covers besides Saint. There's also Mean, Plan, Perth, and Nine. But each one of them will have the same content. So let's... Here's Saint's interview. There's Nine. And Nine's interview. Right. And Perth's interview. Plan. Plan's interview. Joong or Joong, I'm not entirely sure how to say his name. And his interview. There is Mild and Kaonwah as well. Again, I'm sorry for destroying the names. They also have an interview. This is the back of volume 162. Issue 164 has many different covers. Basically, there are all the couples from Until We Meet Again, and all the couples from Two Moons Too, and there's also one with me in the front cover. However, once again, they're all the same from the inside. These two both came with a photo card each. This one for J9, and this one for Prem and Boun, as it's written on the card. So, I'll just go through one of them. First we start with the couples of Until We Meet Again. They all have an interview, each actor. There's me. And this is me's interview. And here are the Two Moons Too couples and actors, obviously. They also have an interview each. And these are the backs of issue 164. Now for the last issue, it's one of the latest issues, which is 165. The one I bought has Mew and Gulf as a front cover, but there are also Brave Twin covers as well. Once as well, all the covers will have the same content inside. There's Jennie here. And her interview. There's SB5. Bright Twin. Bright's interview. And this is Win's interview. And there's Mew and Gulf. News interview. And Gulf's interview. And this is the back of issue 165. So that's it for the magazines. There are in general just normal magazines but in Thai, so I cannot read them yet at least. However, you get to have these amazing photos of your favorite BL lectors, so for me, I love that idea. I will be buying the latest issue of Kazz Magazines as well, mostly because there is Yen of Love and my engineer in it, so I might make an unboxing of that one as well. I also have a few other BL items coming, so I might show you those as well. Aside from that, I guess, thank you for watching this video. I hope this has cleared out any questions that you may have related to the magazines or just simply enjoyed watching the magazine with me. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon. Bye bye!